Welcome to this channel. In this particular tutorial, we will simulate the Howland current pump circuit. This particular circuit converts the input voltage signal into a corresponding output current. So I out is equal to Vin divided by R. Since in this circuit, all the resistor value is 1K, which is a balanced network. The current flows through the load resistor R load regardless of the load value. which is connected to the opamp output node, not tied to the ground. The output is meant to drive current, not voltage. Since the op-amp has plus or minus 15 volt supplies, the circuit can source or sink the current. The positive Vin where the current flows into the node, the negative Vin where the current flows out of load. This circuit is unique since this circuit supports constant current versus load and can sink and source the AC current output and requires precision resistor matching. Due to balanced resistor condition, the circuit cancels the voltage dependent errors and behaves like an ideal controlled source. So when we run this particular circuit simulation, we run multiple simulations while changing the value of parameter named x through a list of specified values. The dot step performs a stepped calculation. The param which indicates your sweeping parameter, the x indicates the name of parameter being changed, and the list which are basically the values which will be taken explicitly from a list. Run this particular simulation and place this particular probe across the B out so you can see the multiple waves for the different set of parameters.